Hello, Saline, and welcome to part one of our winter sports recap here on Hornet Nation. Today, we cover sports from girls bowling at Station 300 Saline to competitive cheer here at Saline High School. Let's jump right in.
The boys basketball team played with their best effort. They entered into the postseason, but sadly lost to Dexter 60-38, finishing their season in the MHSAA District Quarterfinals. Let's take a look at the highlights this season.
This winter has been a big moment in the careers of Saline's top wrestlers, including Bryce LaFleur and Noah Barnett, who both placed first in district championships. At states, junior Bryce LaFleur placed second, and senior Isaac Furlong placed eighth overall. Now, cue the recap.
Saline's competitive cheer team shared an incredible journey with notable seniors Ava Mitten, Sophia Zhao, and Claire Byron. After placing first in the Lincoln Invitational, they remained the second best team in the SEC Red. Although being one placement off from advancing to regionals, hopes remain high as they expect more numbers next year.
Despite the rough start to their season, the girls' varsity bowling team finished with a score of 8-6. They placed 8th out of 12 schools in Division I, Region 8 of the MHSAA and will not be moving on to regionals. To celebrate their achievements, let's play back some of the highlights from the season.
Hornets on me, Hornets on three. 1, 2, 3, Hornets!
Washtenaw United girls hockey team has finished their season with a record of 18-8. They had a great season, winning 7 of their 9 home games, 4 of those 7 being complete sweeps over their opposing teams. They placed first place overall in the B group of the MGHSHL. In other news, Sydney Clark has scored her 100th point in her hockey career on Seniors Night, February 21st. Let's celebrate the team's achievements with this highlight reel.
Underneath your bed tonight, I heard there's a fever that makes you slowly lose your mind. Into the darkness, I'm on the streets, I'm ready to fight. I bring the pain, I'm coming for more. Down the line and ready for war.
With the sun coming out, and as Mount Brighton starts to lose its snow, the boys and girls ski season is coming to an end. With some achievements including Captain Leah Mueller finishing 10th best in the district, and the boys finishing at an all-time high 5th at a slalom race. Let's send it into the highlight reel.
Thank you for tuning into this first part of our winter sports recap here on Hornet Nation. Make sure to tune into part 2 next week, where we cover sports like boys hockey at the Ann Arbor Ice Cube to boys swim and dive here at Saline High School's Natatorium. Be sure to follow on Instagram and YouTube at Saline Video for show updates and behind-the-scenes content. Have a great day, Hornets.
Starts to lose its snow, the boys and girls ski season.
Although being one placement off from making regionals, they expect more numbers. Oh man, dang it.
Hope. Take something up on the microphone.
This winter has been a big moment in the low taper fade. Kyson,
I don't talk like that.
I'm exaggerating so you understand.
Yeah.
Take a look at the highlights this season.